Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the form as region. Today we shall learn about the page item in detail. This is going to be the part 1. Go to the Apex workspace and go to the app builder. Create a new application or choose an existing one. So we are going to choose employee demo app. Now click create page and select the blank page. Enter the name employee detail custom page and click create. In the body, create region and name it employee details. Then add two page items into that region. Give it a name, employee number, and then employee name. Save and run your application. Now you have two fields, employee number and employee name. In the setting, you can see both page items are text field. Then we have the subtypes. In the subtype, we have options text, email, phone number, search, and URL. Then we have a trim space. If you want to trim space for your text field or page item, you can choose this option. Leading and trailing is by default. Then we have the text case. If you want to change the text case lower or upper, then you choose this option. Then we have submit when enter pressed. After typing the text into the field and the press enter, it means the value in that text field would be submit to the session state. And the session state values are accessible in your PL SQL. Then we have the disable option. If you want to disable your text field, you can choose this option and user would not be able to enter any value. Let's enable it. After enabling, you get another option, send on page submit. To submit the disable values to the session state, you can enable these values. In the layout, we have the region in which this field exists. Then we have the slot, which is actually a position. We have multiple options, edit, previous, next, sort by, page region, and create. You can see these containers as well here. Currently, our field are in region body. Then we have a start new row. It means this text field will come into the new row. Both items are shown in two different rows. If you want to show these fields in a single row, select the employee name and switch off this option. Click save and run the page. Now you can see both items are showing in a single row. Let's enable this option again. Then we have columns. In Apex, we have 12 columns. Similarly, we have column span. If you want choose to span and run the page, you can see that the field is showing in two columns, first column and second column, to span column. We have two fields. Let's make it automatic. You have two fields. Let's create a button into the region body and give it a name, save, and in the behavior, set action, submit page. Click save. This button will submit the page to the server. All the values will be submitted to the session state, and you can handle the session value to store in the database table. We have a we have a status option in our toolbar. Choose the value, and you can see that the page items, there is no item currently. Just the page, enter employee number and employee name, then click save. Now view the session state again. You can see the application ID, page number, item name, display, item value, and status as well. So by clicking the value or submit button, it submit all the values to the session state. Now change the employee number subtype to email and click save. Run the page again. Now enter any alphabets for any number and click save again. You can see auto validation is applied on the text field because its subtype was email. Now go back and change it to text and enable that option submit when enter press. Click save and run the page. Now this time change the employee number to 8 and press enter. Click on the session state. You can see the status is updated in case of employee number. It means employee number is submit to the session state, but the rest of the values remain same and don't submit to the session state. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something useful. We shall explore more properties about page items in the next tutorial or lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.